Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? I wish you are well. Enjoy your day and join me for Unit 5. Go ahead to your students book page 56 and 57. It is shown in the screen. Unit 5, the reading. As you can see, this is a piece of reading, a comprehension. You are asked to read it and then answer the question. So you must understand the ideas and the difficult words to answer these questions and the other one of exercise 4. What I'll ask you about is just to read the highlighted words in yellow and try to guess or incite their meaning from the context, then to go ahead to exercise number 4 to understand and answer the questions of choices. So your duty now is to look at the highlighted words and try to understand their meaning, then answer the question number 4, guess the meaning of unknown words. Let's start. The first word is reasonable. Try to understand its meaning through the context, that it is necessary to have a reasonable amount of material possessions. Reasonable here, what does it mean? It means cheap, it means big, very big, not very big to somehow big. Okay, now go ahead to exercise number 4 in the opposite page 56. Read the word here, then understand or try to understand the meaning of it, then go ahead to the word or the question number 4 to understand and answer it. Reasonable in this context means big but not very big, so the answer will be number 1 is B letter. Okay, go ahead to the next word, which is bless. What do you mean by bless in this context? Bless is something which is good or nice. In this context, what does it mean? Can seem like absolute bliss. So the word that can match with this word in the context: happiness, emptiness, truth. Okay, which word is more likely to be true? I think it is number 1, which is A. Number 2, A, happiness. So bliss means happiness. Go ahead to the third word, stimulate. Stimulate, to tell someone or activate him to do something. Activate someone to do something. Tell him it will be good to do something. So stimulate means activate, prevent, or remove. Hey, wonderful. The answer will be A. 3, activate. Number 4, naive. Naive means idiot or something which is bad, but you must know its meaning in the context here. We have a naive belief that happiness means that with that nothing ever goes wrong. What do you mean by naive in this context? It means something which is not true, not real, so unrealistic. Number 4, the answer will be C, unrealistic. Look at the last one, strenuous. Strenuous, we must read it inside the context. also come from less strenuous pursuits. Pursuits. Strenuous pursuits. Strenuous means something which is must be done. It is needed to be done. Means demanding. Something which is must be done. Demanding. So let's go over the answers now. Number 1, reasonable means fairly large. Bliss, we said it is happiness. Stimulate is activate. Number 5, naive means unrealistic. Strenuous means demanding. Okay, you can go for more exercises on your workbook. Now to the next point of your vocabulary. Look at, open your book, page 58, vocabulary, adjective plus prepositions. You know that in English, adjectives sometimes are followed by prepositions, but not any prepositions. They are followed by specific prepositions. So your duty here, your task is to memorize by heart the adjective plus the preposition which follows it. For example, you can say different from and not different with or different of. You should say proud of, not proud with or proud about. Have you got it? You have here some adjectives such as proud, nervous, jealous, and some prepositions. Each one of these adjectives must be followed by just a preposition of the 3 ones above. So your task here is to memorize them by heart. Proud of. Okay, let's go to number 2. Nervous, my interview. Nervous with, of, about, nervous about. Okay, when his little sister was born, Brad was very jealous of all the attention that was given to her. Jealous of. Not familiar with this procedure. I'm not familiar with this procedure. Alberto was very pleased with. Are you angry with me? Angry can be followed by with or of. If you are angry with someone, you must say angry with. Angry of is followed by thing, while angry with is followed by a person. Ashamed. I'm ashamed, feeling shy. I'm ashamed of myself for spending so much money on a dress. Number 8. I didn't think Paul was capable of looking after the children on his own. Capable of, to be able of, or to be able to do something. Conscious. Just try to read it. Conscious. To be aware of. Omar is very conscious of the scar, the wound in his face. Young children are curious. Curious meaning that you want to know, eager to know something, curious about everything. You have to be patient, not very angry, patient with the people. Many people are upset. Many people are just upset about, angry about. Fatin is very popular with, serious, not funny. Are you serious about moving? Okay, I wish you could understand now. Go ahead to the third point of our vocabulary lesson, page 58, which is the expressions of the verb come. Come is the opposite of go, but in this register it is called the phrasal verb or the idioms of come. We have some expressions of come which means some specific meaning. For example, came to light. What does it mean, came to light? Light, you know, light. It is the opposite of darkness. Came to light. It means happen. Yeah. It means to be made known. Yeah. Come to light. It later came to light. Everyone know about it. Came to light. It is now known. Came to light. Come true. Come true. To be actually here. To be actually happening. Come true. Came into. Came into. What is the meaning of came into? Power. It means when he forced, when he was in the possession of leadership. Come in handy, to be something to be useful or effective. Came into effect means that to be applied. The noun of it is application. Okay? Now go ahead and try to answer, match the verb with its proper meaning. It later came to light that she had cheated in her math test. Okay? Came to light here means, yeah, to be made known. Wonderful. Number 2. Took Mark several months to realize that his dream had finally come true. Come true, it means to actually happen. Actually happen. Yeah, wonderful. I turned 17 that year, the year the president came into power, when the president had the authority or had the leadership. Yes, C is the answer. Number 4. This torch will come in handy. Come in handy, it means it will be useful. Number 5 and the last one, the new anti-smoking laws to come into effect next January. Is coming to effect, it must be applied in January. Should be applied. Yes, B. The answer will be B. Go ahead to the next exercise, which is idioms. Having second thoughts. Having to change his mind. To change his mind. Which one is more appropriate to the answer or to the word, to the idiom having second thoughts? Which one to change your opinion? Yeah, E. You are very quiet. You are very quiet. You are absent-minded. You think about something. A penny of your thoughts. Try a penny of your thoughts. What are you thinking about? Just involve me. Something you say to ask someone. What are they thinking about? A penny of your thoughts means what are you thinking about? So number 2 will be B. You have interrupted my train of thoughts. Train of thoughts. Series of thoughts. Series of thoughts. Series of thoughts. Number 4 has to be seen to be something which you cannot think about it because it is supernatural or it can't be true. You can't believe it. Has to be seen. Okay? Has to be seen to be believed. To change? No. To be unusual but true. Yes, it is unusual, but it is true because I saw it. The last one, make believe something which is not true. Something which is not true. Now, and by the end of this lesson, I wish you could understand well, and I wish you can go to your activity book for more practice. from now to then with God's peace and favor.